Сайн байцгаана уу Монголоор огшин байна. За Summer Adventures гэсэн хуваарийн дагуу явагдаж байгаа 3 дугаар ангийн математикийн хичээлээ үргэлжлүүлье. За энэ day 4 and a lesson number 2. За энэ хоёр дахь хичээл маань which picture shows more get up to $5 гэсэн байна тийм. За хоёр хэсэг зурагнууд хоёр хэсэг мэдээлэлтэй байх нь. За ингээд бид нар ажил маань ямар утга учиртай вэ гэхээр зэрэг аль зураг нь илүү үн цэнийг харуулж байна гэдгийг нь тооцох нэ. За мөнгөний тэмдэгтүүд цаасан болон зоосон мөнгөний тэмдэгтүүд байгаа. За бүгдөө тооцоолоод үзье. За эхний асуулт which is more? Аль нь илүү вэ гэсэн тийм үү? За эхний зураг. Эхний зурган дээр биднэрт $1 байна. $1. За дараа нь 1 quarter буюу яг 25 цент. And then 1 dime. Dime бол 10 центийн үнэтэй. Then a nickel. And a penny. So penny is worth яг 1 центийн үнэтэй. За бүгдээрээ нэмье. 5 дээр нэмэх нь 5, нэмэх нь 1 11 ишээ нэгийг саны 2 дээр нэмэх нь 1 сансан нэгтэйгээ 4. За ингээд бутархай тооны тасал маань орж ирнэ. 1 дээр нэмэх нь тэг юу ч өөрчлөгдөхгүй. За эхний зурган дээр бол яг нийт биднэрт $1 41 цент байна. За хоёр дахь зурган дээр юу байна? Биднэрт $1 байна. За тэгээд 1 quarter 25 цент. За дараа нь 2 dime байна. 2 dime 2-лаа нийлээд 20 центийн үнэтэй. За ингээд 1 penny 1 центийн үнэтэй. За бүгдийг нэмье. 5 дээр нэмэх нь 1 6, 2 дээр нэмэх нь 2 4. Таслын бутархай тооны тасал маань орж ирнэ. 1 дээр нэмэх нь тэг юу ч өөрчлөгдөхгүй гээд хоёр дахь зурган дээр яг $1 46 цент байна. За аль нь илүү вэ? $1 46 цент маань $1 41 центээс илүү гээд бидний асуултанд хариулт бол энэ яхнэ. Alright, which is more? Let's go ahead and calculate it. Alright, we have a quarter. And then we have 1, 2, 3 dimes. 3 dimes are worth 30 cents. And a penny. That is worth 1 cent. Let's add them all up. We have 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now we have our decimal point comes down and our whole value is 0. So in total, we have 56 cents here. All right, now let's go ahead, take a look at the second picture. We have a quarter. And then we have 1 and 2 dimes worth 20 cents. And nickel. Nickel is worth 5 cents. Then we have 2 pennies. Together they are worth 2 cents. 5 plus 5 plus 2 is 12. 12 and a carryover 1. 2 plus 2 with the carryover 1 will be 5. Then our decimal point comes down and our whole value is 0. So 0.56 versus 0.52. And our first picture shows more value. Which is more? Now let's go ahead and do the same thing. Let's check the first picture. I have $1 here. Then I have 1 and 2 quarters. Together they are worth 50 cents. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 dimes. 4 dimes are worth 40 cents. Then I have 1, 2, and 3 nickels. 3 nickels are worth 15 cents. All right, let's add them all up. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 10. With the carryover 1 here, our decimal point comes in. And 0 plus 1 with the carryover 1, that is 2. So we have $2.05 in the first picture. Now, the second picture, we have a dollar here. Then we have 1, 2, 3 quarters. 3 quarters, 25, 50, 75. So we have 75 cents. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 dimes. So dimes are worth 10 cents. So all together, 10, 20, 30, 40. So 40 cents. Now we have only 1 nickel left. Nickel is worth 5 cents. And 5 plus 5 will be 10. Carry over 1. 7 plus 4 with the carryover 1 will be 12. And the carryover 1 here. Now 1 plus 0 with the carryover 1 would make 2. And don't forget our decimal point there. So in total we have $2.20, which is more. This second one is more. Which is more? So let's go ahead and do the same thing. We have $2 here. And then a quarter. Quarter is worth 25 cents. And then we have 2 pennies. That is worth 2 cents. All right, 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 plus 0 is 2. Decimal point comes down. 2 plus 0 is 2. So in total, we have $2.27 in the first picture. And here we have $2 and a quarter. Then we have 1 and 2 nickels, 5 and 10. So they are together worth 10 cents. 1 penny. 1 penny is worth 1 cent. So that is 0.01. All right, 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. Decimal point comes down. 2 plus 0 will be 2. So in total, we have $2.36. So $2 and $2. Dollar amount is the same. 27 cents versus 36 cents. So 36 cents is more than 27. Therefore, our answer is the second one. Which is more? So let's do the same thing. I have $1 here. Then a quarter. Then I have a dime is worth 10 cents. And I have 2 nickels. 2 nickels will be worth 10 cents together. 1 and 2 and 3 pennies. Together they are worth 3 cents. Let's add them all up. 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 4. Then my decimal point comes down. 1 plus 0 is 1. So in total, I have $1.48. So second one, I have $1 here. And then I have 1, 2, 3 dimes. All together, they are worth 30 cents. Then I have 1, 2, 3 pennies. Together, they are worth 3 cents. So let's add them all up. I have 3 here, 3 here, decimal point, and I have $1.33 all together. So 48 cents versus 33 cents. My first picture has more. Which is more? Okay, I have In the first picture, I have $1 here. Then I have a quarter. Then I have 2 dimes. Let's add them all up. And all together, $1.45. Now, the second picture, I have $1 here. And then I have 1 quarter. Oh. Then I have 1 dime. 1 and 2 nickels. Together, they are 10 cents. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies. 5 pennies all together worth 5 cents. Let's add them all up. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry over 1. And 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. With the carryover 1, it will be 5. Then my decimal point comes down. 1 plus 0 is 1. I have $1.50 in the second picture. So 45 cents versus 50 cents. And 50 cents is more. All right. Which is more? Let's go ahead and do the same. I have all together $1, $2, $3, $4 here. Then a quarter. Then I have 1, 2, 3 nickels. All together they are worth 15 cents. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry over 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. With the carryover 1, that will make 4. Then my decimal point comes down. 4 plus 0. And all together I have $4.40 in the first picture. Now let's go ahead and check out the second one. I have 1, 1, 2, 3, $4. And 1 and 2 quarters together they are 50 cents. And a dime, that is worth 10 cents. And a nickel is worth 5 cents. Then a penny, that's worth 1 cent. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. My decimal point comes down. And I have total of $4.66. So both are $4 and the 40 cents versus 66 cents. I have more in the second picture. Which is more? Right. I have $1. And then I have 1, 2, 3 quarters. Then a dime. Then I have 2 nickels. Last, I have 2 pennies. All right, let's add them all up. 5 plus 2, that will be 7. 7 plus 1 is 9. Next, my decimal point comes in. 1 plus 0. I have $1.97 in the first picture. So second picture, here is $1. Then I have 2 dimes worth 20 cents. Then 2 pennies are worth 2 cents. All right, let's add them all up. My decimal point comes down, and I have $1.22 in the second picture. So that makes the first one more. All right. first one. I have a quarter. Then a dime. And a nickel. And a penny. Let's add them all up. 5 plus 5 plus 1, 11. Carry over 1. 2 plus 1 with the carry over 1 will be 4. My decimal point comes down and I have 41 cents in the first picture. Now let's check the second one. I have 1 and 2 quarters. That will be 50 cents together. And a dime. That's 10 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pennies. They are worth 6 cents together. And that will be 6. And in total, I have 66 cents. So second one is more. All right, let's check it out. I have $2 here. And 1, 2 pennies. And 1, 2, 3 dimes. What's left? 1 and 2 nickels. And a penny. All right, let's add them all up. I have 1 here, 8 and 9, decimal point here, and a 2. So I have $2.91 here. Let's check the second one. I have $2 here. And a quarter. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 dimes. That's worth 40 cents. A nickel. Then I have 2 pennies. Let's add them all up. I have 12 here. With carry over 1, 2 plus 4 is 6. With the carry over 1, it will be 7. My decimal point comes down, and I have $2.72. So both are $2.91 versus 72 cents. That makes the first one more. All right, let's check this. I have 1, 2, 3, and oops, I have 3 quarters. All right, that will make it 75 cents. And 1 dime. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 nickels. That would make it 20 cents. And 2 cents, which is 2 pennies. All right, that will make it 7, 9, 10. With the carryover 1, my decimal point comes in, and I have $1.07 here. Let's check the second one. I have 1, 2, 3 quarters. So 3 quarters is worth 75 cents. And a dime. Then I have 1, 2, 3 pennies. That will make it 8, 8, and I have 88 cents. So no doubt, first one is more. Okay, which is more? I have a quarter. Then a dime. Then 1 and 2 nickels. And a penny. All right, 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 4. decimal point comes down, and that is 46 cents all together. Now let's check the second one. I have 1 and 2 quarters, and a nickel, and a penny. All right, 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 and a 0. That makes it 56 cents. So my second one is more. All right, I have $2. Then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 quarters. So 4 quarters make up $1. So it goes 25, 50, 75, and 100. So 100 cents is worth $1. And then I have a nickel. Last, I have a penny. Oh, let's add them all up. That would make it 5 plus 1 is 6. That's a 0. Decimal place comes in. 2 plus 1 is 3. $3.06. Let's check the second one. I have $2. And I have 1, 2, 3 quarters. That's worth 75 cents. And I have a dime, 1 and 2 nickels. All right, that will be 5, 9, and a 2. Okay, so obviously $3 is more than $2. All right, now we are entering the challenge zone. Yay. All right, let's go. First one, I have $1. And 1, 2, 3 quarters. And a dime. And a nickel. And a penny. All right, 5 plus 1, 11. Carry over 1. 7 plus 1 with the carryover 1 will make 9. Decimal point comes down. 1 plus 0 is 1. So $1.91. Now let's check the second one. There is $1. And I have 1, 2, 3 quarters. 3 quarters worth 75 cents. And I have 1, 2, 3 nickels. 3 nickels are worth 15 cents. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry over 1. 7 plus 1 with the carryover 1 would make it 9. And 1, I have $1.90. So 91 cents versus 90 cents. I have more in the first one. All right, which is more? I have a quarter. Then I have 1 and 2 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pennies. That will be 10. Carry over 1 would make this one 5. Your decimal point comes down, and I have 50 cents in the first picture. Let's check the second one. There's a quarter here. And a dime. And then 1 and 2 and 3 nickels. 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. All right, that will be 14 with carryover 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. With the carryover 1 would make it 5. Decimal point comes down. So second picture has 54 cents. All right, which is more? In the first picture, there's $1 and a quarter. Then I have 1 and 2 dimes, 1 nickel, and 2 pennies. 5 plus 5 plus 2 will be 12. Carry over 1. 2 plus 2 with the carry over 1 is 5. And there is 1. So $1.52. The second picture, I have $1 here. And 1 quarter. And 1, 2, 3, 4 nickels. And 1 and 2 pennies. 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 plus 2 is 4. And I have $1.47 in the second picture. That makes the first one more. All right, dynamite. Good job.